Asus Zephyrus G14 gaming models on my desk during these last 2 months, and have been using them both as daily drivers and while running. Gaming performance: things change with demanding loads, and game on turbo the fans ramp up to 44 to 45 dB at head level, which is not as loud as some of the other gaming ultra portables out there, but you'll still probably want to hook up some headphones to cover them up. Ryzen 9 4900HS configuration and how it fares against the Ryzen 7 4800HS versions, and touch on what I consider to be some minor software tweaks that Asus could implement. The G14 as a daily driver: I've only used the Ryzen 7 9th versions of the Zephyrus G14 with the RTX 2060D GPU, but I wouldn't expect the other models to feel any different with everyday use.